Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Good to see you. Thanks for watching as we look at properties here and around the world each week. Today we're looking around this Malibu home at $15 million. Yes, indeed. And we'll see what's on offer. And there's certainly lots of palm trees, that's for sure, but the views are to boot, and they are fabulous. Terrace garden there as well. Coming onto the driveway, and it looks so good. Look at these glass windows here. Beautiful tint on those, with that almost teal color. Palm trees everywhere, and then the $1 million special, the Grand Pacific Ocean. Just super. Pink couch. This is a Paris Hilton special in here. Look at this pink couch here. Gold legs, and then mirrors all the way along. Almost a bit of an older style. And then this wraparound staircase and balustrade with glass inset. Just beautiful. Big leather chair. This is quite unique. It certainly is. Marilyn's up there. Baby grand and lovely lacquered gloss floors. An amazing picture here. Quite different, actually. Looks like something out of Middle Ages almost, but then that part doesn't. But it's interesting painting. And then glass all the way to the ceiling. Speakers on the ceiling. Lights as well. Lots of them. So nighttime will be fabulous. You'll look like a beacon on the hill. A beautiful example of light-colored sofas and more. But look at the natural light. Just huge here. And that explains that tinting on the windows as we came in. Very, very important when you're this open to the elements. Looks like we've got concealed blinds up here, which are probably automated. And imagine there, enjoying this massive lounge and relaxing. It must be quite an entertainer's dream. Spa pool out there on the terrace, as well as deck chairs and more, with the glass to not obstruct the view. And then the mighty Pacific Ocean in the background, giving you views and enjoyment for years and years and years. A beautiful chandelier up here as well. And dining table, very nice. Very nice indeed. Massive picture window there too. Kitchen embraces you with a big breakfast bar and island. And then double gas hob and a big stainless sink as well. So very, very convenient, useful to you. You could enjoy, relax. And then another outdoor sitting area, which of course would be good against the sea breezes. You'll be tucked around the corner, so very practical. And also, out of the weather elements, but also if you want to be in the shade, you've got the shade there as well. Here's your handy chairs and the pool, and this is a whole majestic area of its own with palms, your own private resort. Indeed, at $15 million, 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, 7,311 square feet. This is a mega mansion of delightful size and convenience. There's a water feature coming down here, a spa area, and a beautiful pool to swim back and forth with outdoor furnishings as well. Mature plants make it all come together. Then these most funky of funky chairs here in a mirror type finish, and then this amazing pink, another Paris Hilton chair there, and the big terrace balcony outside. So very nice indeed. Into the master bedroom, views forever, and isn't that what you want? And a beautiful chandelier there too. Into the ensuite, there's a massive porthole. Love these stripes in a stainless color. A beautiful bath, eggshell style bath, and then these makeup mirrors with lighting as well. So it's a very different design, rather delightful, rather modern, and awesome indeed. Corner windows there on that bedroom. Amazing position for a bath, looking out over the ocean. Then your movie theater, your bar, your wine cellar, which actually has wine in it, which is always a bonus. And then another bedroom with a TV setup as well. Amazing looking bathroom with seat and niches and more. Lovely tiles. And just a great all-rounder. Everything's here that you need. It's more compact than usual for a mega mansion, but it is one because it has all the elements. It has location, Malibu. It has stunning sea views, elevation. Another tick for the mega mansion. It has a huge pool. It has big landscaping, and it has positioning and convenience of lifestyle. Terrace gardens and more. It simply is a fabulous home at $15 million. A great buy because of location, 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 and quality as well. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Please subscribe. We appreciate that. Thank you. And we'll see you on the next one as we review more properties here and around the world each week. Hope you enjoyed that one. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now.